All right, today we're going to be talking about measures of central tendency, and there are three of them. We're also going to be talking about the five-number summary, which is using. So today we're going to be talking about measures of central tendency, a five-number summary, the IQR or interquartile range, and box and whisker plots. I know it sounds like not a lot, but bear with me. All right, so the first one, we're going to look at our measures of central tendency, which is a number that is used to represent a typical number in a data set. It's either going to be the mean, the median, or the mode. You use one, you don't use all of them. So the mean is simply the average of all numbers. We'll talk about how to find that later in the lesson. The median is the number, the number in the middle of the set. And the mode is simply the number or the value that appears the most. Our range is the difference between the largest and smallest value. And we'll look at finding all of these right now. So let's find the mean or the average. So the mean, step one, is to add all the numbers. And step two is divide by the amount of numbers. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Let me pull up my calculator. All right, so we're going to take 80 plus 75 plus 95 plus 62 plus 100. So the sum, we go back to this, the sum, so that's step one, equals 100, or sorry, not 100, 412. 412. And step two is to divide by the amount of numbers. So we're going to take 412 and we're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. And that'll be our mean. So we're going to take 412 divided by 5. We get 82.4. And this one we don't have to round because it's a nice number, 0.4. So we just get 82.4. That's how we find the mean. Let's find the median. So we need to arrange the numbers from least to greatest, and then find the number in the middle. Okay, if there are two middles, add them and divide by 2. So let's look. That's how do we find the number in the middle? So I'm going to start. 18 and 59 are at the ends. Oops. And then we got 27 and 41 next. And that means that 35 is in the middle. So this means that the median equals 35. All right, let's talk about the mode. The mode is the number. So we're going to find, we need to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Find the number or value that appears the most. Okay, there can be more than one mode or none. So let's take a look. 10, 10, and 10. So 10 appears the most. So our mode equals 10. Now let's find our range. We're going to identify the smallest and the largest value. Then it's the maximum, minus the minimum. So in this nicely ordered set, our minimum is 100, our minimum is 1, and our maximum is 100. So we're going to do max minus min. So our max is 100 minus our minimum of 1. So that means our range is 99.